Welcome back to today's morning report. Task Force is on Tuesday, the 22nd of March, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at this Euro chart now, and the impact on the chart from this terrorism attack is not too significant yet. It's still continued the downside sort of slide in the Euro, and it'll be interesting to see if that holds up now, because it's back into that support that I spoke about, around 112 figure. And to be honest, the technicals are not too bad yet in this slide over the last 3 days. That's three pretty reasonable sized candles, and you're still not seeing a massive sort of deterioration in the momentum, which is interesting. You're now sort of, I would say, medium term. You've got this support between 111 figure and 112 figure. I think that's where you need to see the sort of next support coming in for this sort of flag to continue. I think you need to see the support pretty much coming in around 12 figure, to be honest. And at the moment, what we've seen is this, just as I said, this slight slide. It's fairly similar, isn't it, to what we saw sort of front end of last week. So just a fairly sort of gradual drift lower. Yes, we've had this sort of these two candles here with the market reaction to the Brussels attacks. But we've started to sort of find a bit of support again on the technicals, and it is interesting because it's coming around the levels that other lows have been formed as well. So you're not seeing a too significant deterioration in the technicals from this terrorist attack, and I think at the moment the bulls are still sort of medium term in control, and I think this could just be a slide that ultimately finds a bit of buying pressure. Although as I said, I still need to see that reaction low, I think near term around that 12 figure, and at the moment we've got 1187 as the reaction low, and it's sort of held on. For the sort of medium to longer term, you need to see a support coming in around that 11 figure level, because I think if you drop back below 11 figure, you've certainly lost the impetus of that Fed driven move higher. So these markets are fairly uncertain as to exactly what to make of this terrorist attack quite yet. Obviously, there is a bit of euro weakness on the back of it. Whether it lasts or not remains to be seen. But I think sort of near term we're still in this slide, but I think you're back into realms of sort of building support area, and I think if that support does hold around 12 figure, I think it could be seen to be quite a decent buying opportunity. But obviously this terrorism attack is a moving event, and we'll wait and see how it develops as to the impact it has on euro dollar today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.